Hi, I'm Vincent John, and here's the rest of my groupmates to introduce themselves.
I'm I'm Allysa Cruz.
I'm Trixie Marida and we are the
Group 4! So today we're going to perform soldering using the wires and the molar band using the solder. We're going to follow this template, so stay tuned.
For our personal protective equipment, we should have our lab gown, face mask, and head cap.
So these are the materials that we are gonna use. Microtorch, how plier, wire cutter, the solder, molar band, 0.036 stainless steel wires, the flux, and of course, clay.
The first step is to cut the wire into two diagonally or by 45 degrees. In this step, the 0.036 wires are being joined together and the molar band is stick on the upper side of the terminal part of the upper horizontal wire. In the last step, the wires and the molar band is fused together by soldering.